It's very exciting to be working for one of the largest space programs in the world currently. I absolutely love it. It's a great opportunity. I started at an entry level position and I've been enjoying it tremendously. The manual stuff I have learned here in the classes have helped me with the things that I learned on the CNC machines at Blue Origin.
I go to school at Space Coast Junior Senior High School, and then I'm dual enrolled at Eastern Florida State College. For most of my life, I've had a goal, and it's to be an aerospace engineer. And there's a saying that I hear a lot, which is the best engineers are also machinists. And I think that that's what I enjoy the most, is walking into the class, standing in front of the machine, and clearing your head, maybe even listening to a little bit of music, and just fully committing yourself to doing that work for the day.